Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hello, is this the hotel?
Yes, sir. This is Rose Hotel.
I want to book a room.
Sure, sir. For which date?
I need it for next Friday.
All right, sir. Let me check.
Is any room available then?
Yes, we have rooms available.
I want a single room, please.
We have single rooms available.
What is the room price?
It's $70 per night.
Does the price include tax?
No, sir. Tax is extra.
What is the total with tax?
It will be $80 total.
Does it include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
What time is breakfast served?
From 7 to 10 a.m. daily.
Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, sir. Free Wi-Fi included.
Is the Wi-Fi fast enough?
Yes, sir. It's very fast.
Is there air conditioning too?
Yes, all rooms have it.
Can I get a room view?
Yes, sir. Garden view available.
Is the room with bathroom?
Yes, private bathroom included.
Is hot water available anytime?
Yes, sir. 24/7 hot water.
Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, it's open all day.
Is gym access also free?
Yes, sir. Gym is free.
Can I cancel the booking?
Yes, within 24 hours.
Is parking free at the hotel?
Yes, parking is free.
Is the hotel pet friendly?
No, sir. Pets not allowed.
Do you offer airport pickup?
Yes, on request and charge.
How much is airport pickup?
It costs $10 one way.
Can I get early check-in?
Yes, if room is ready.
What is the check-in time?
Check-in is at 2 p.m.
What's the check-out time?
Checkout is at 12 noon.
Can I get late checkout?
Yes, sir. On extra charge.
Do I need to pay now?
No, sir. Pay at arrival.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, all cards accepted.
Can I get confirmation email?
Yes, sir. Please tell email.
My email is ron@email.com.
Got it. Mail sent, sir.
Can I book for one night?
Yes, sir. One night is fine.
Is the room quiet and safe?
Yes, sir. It is peaceful.
Do you have a lift there?
Yes, sir. We have elevators.
Which floor is the room?
It's on the second floor.
Is there a mini fridge too?
Yes, sir. Fridge is there.
Are towels provided in room?
Yes, sir. Fresh towels daily.
Do you clean the room daily?
Yes, sir. Every morning.
Is smoking allowed in room?
No, sir. It is non-smoking.
Do you have a smoking area?
Yes, outside near garden.
What is your hotel address?
It's 55 Hill Road, City.
Is the hotel in city center?
Yes, very close to market.
Is public transport nearby?
Yes, sir. Bus stop nearby.
Do I need ID at check-in?
Yes, sir. Passport or ID card.
Is there a help desk too?
Yes, sir. 24/7 help desk.
What's your name, please?
My name is Lily Smith.
Thank you, Lily. That's all.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Please confirm my booking.
Yes, sir. Booking is confirmed.
What's my room number now?
We'll tell on check-in day.
I may arrive late evening.
No problem, sir. Anytime is fine.
Will someone carry my bag?
Yes, sir. Bellboy will help.
What time is dinner served?
From 7 to 10 p.m.
Can I pay in local cash?
Yes, sir. Cash is accepted.
Thank you for your help.
You are most welcome, sir.
See you on Friday then.
Sure, sir. See you soon.
Checking in at the hotel reception.
Hello, I have a booking.
Welcome, sir. Your name, please.
My name is Ron Wilson.
Yes, sir. Booking is confirmed.
I booked a single room.
Yes, sir. It's ready now.
What is the room number?
It's room number 203, sir.
Is it on the second floor?
Yes, sir. Second floor room.
Can I get room key now?
Yes, sir. Here is your key.
Is my luggage taken upstairs?
Yes, sir. Bellboy is helping.
Do I sign any form now?
Yes, sir. Please fill this.
I don't have a pen now.
No problem, sir. Use this one.
Where is the lift located?
Behind you, on the left side.
Can I extend my stay?
Yes, sir. For how many days?
Just one more day, please.
All right, sir. Booked for you.
Is breakfast in the room?
No, sir. In the restaurant.
Can I get a wake-up call?
Sure, sir. What time?
Please call at 7 a.m.
All right, sir. Noted down.
Where is the smoking area?
Outside, near the garden.
Where can I keep my passport?
Use the safe in your room.
Can I get a taxi tomorrow?
Yes, sir. We'll book it.
Can I print something here?
Yes, sir. At the help desk.
Where can I buy medicine?
Here's a pharmacy next door.
Checking out from the hotel.
Is my bill ready?
Yes, sir. Here it is.
Can I check the details?
Yes, sir. Please see here.
I will check out now.
All right, sir. Just a moment.
Thank you for your service.
You are always welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Visit us again.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.